guys, welcome to another episode of the Gadgetsmith. Today we're going to be making something very cool, something that I like to call catapults. Yeah, that's right, today I'm going to be making catapults. In fact, I'm going to be making 3 types of catapults.
Alright, let's get started. So the first catapult we're making today is the spoonapult. For this one, we're going to need a plastic spoon, 6 small popsicle sticks, a paper clip, scissors, and a rubber band. And we're going to bind everything with hot glue. Alright, let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is align these 4 of the popsicle sticks like so. It should look like that, and there should be like a little bit of popsicle stick sticking out of the ends of it. And then we're going to get the glue, and we are going to glue all of these sticks into place. Like that, and then same for the other one. It should look like that. Then we're going to take one of the other popsicle sticks, and we are going to cut it not in half, but almost like, just like that. So half would be right here, and then we would move just a little bit to the left, so it's like that. I'm going to cut it nice, straight in half, like that. And then we're going to take the long side, we're going to take the glue gun, and we're going to glue the flat side of it right here like so. And then we're going to take the other half, glue the half side of it, or the flat side of it, and we're going to glue it right here. Then we're going to connect them together right here like so. I'm going to use glue to reinforce it. There you go. The wooden frame should look just like that. And make sure that it's very sturdy, because this is an essential part of the whole catapult. Okay. Alright, put that aside. The next thing we're going to make is the catapult themselves. So, we're going to need the plastic spoon and one of the popsicle sticks. So, what we're going to do is that we are going to glue this right here like that. We're going to glue it to one side of the popsicle stick, like so. Make sure that it is very secure, and you can add as much glue as you want to make sure that it's really stuck in there. It should look like that. I'm going to take the wooden frame, and we're going to take the rubber band and the paper clip, and then we are actually going to glue the paper clip, this half of the paper clip to this right here. So you're going to have some sticking out like that. You're going to have a little opening right here, which is where the other thing is going to go. Or actually, hold on. Let me try that again. We're going to put it on this side instead, the shorter side. Make sure that it's on the shorter side. So it should look like that in the end. Alright, now we're going to take this, and then we are actually going to bend this paper clip out like that, insert this thing, and then bend the paper clip back in like this. So this should be able to move freely like that, and then it should like stay in there. And then the next part is, oops, it fell out. And then to make sure that what happened just now doesn't happen, you can use glue or tape to close the paper clip again. Like that. Alright. So now this is able to move freely like that, so we're going to take the rubber band, and this one is a tricky part, sort of. You're going to take it and wrap it around these 2 things right here, and then you're going to take this end and wrap it all the way around to right here. Like that. And then you're gonna slip this end of it into here. So it looks like that. So the rubber band goes under here, and then over this thing, and then back under this little notch right here, and then all the way around to the back of it, and then it hooks onto that paper clip right there. And there you have it. Alright, for the next catapult, we're going to be making the pencil catapult. For this one, we're going to need 8 unsharpened pencils. It doesn't matter what kind, as long as they are long and unsharpened. We're also going to need a bottle cap, a rubber band, and tape. We're not going to be using hot glue for this one. So the first thing that we're going to do is make the frame, the pencil frame. So first, take 4 of the unsharpened pencils, take a lot of tape, and start binding them together into a square. There. It should look like that. Alright, after this, we are going to make the second part of the frame. So take 1 pencil and tape it to one end of the frame, one corner of the frame. And then we're going to take another pencil, and then we're going to tape it to the opposite corner of that frame. We're going to tape it up here where the ends meet. Should look like that. And of course we're going to do it for the last one too. Just like that. And then add more tape to the top to secure it. It should look like that. Alright, well now that we have this frame, we're going to put it aside and start making the catapult itself. We're going to need 2 pencils. I know I said 8, we're going to need 8 pencils total, but I miscounted. We're actually going to need 10. But we're going to need 2 of these, and we're going to just tape them together like so. Like that. We're going to take the bottle cap, and tape that to the pencils as well. It should look like that. You might want to put some extra tape all around the bottle cap to secure it. Alright, we're going to take the frame again. We're going to tape this. We're going to slide it under the triangle, the top, and then we're going to tape one end of it to the center of this pencil. So it should move freely up and down like that. Now finally, we're going to take this rubber band. We're going to do this maneuver by putting the rubber band under here. Then we are going to slide it over like this. And then we are going to slide it under here as well. So in the end, it should look like this. And there you have it. It works like this. Oops. The last one that we're going to make today is the simplest of them all. It's the one for when you can't find many materials in your house and your budget is very, very low. And it's super small too, it can fit in your pocket. All you need for this are 2 popsicle sticks, 1 small binder clip, and 1 bottle cap, and of course, tape. So yeah, super limited. If you have a super limited budget and not a lot of materials, then this is the one for you. So once you have these 2 materials, take 1 popsicle stick and the binder clip, and bend and open the binder clip like that. Then you're going to take the popsicle stick, you're going to tape it to this metal thing here, the metal part of this binder clip, so it's like that. Then you're going to close it back so it goes like that. You're going to do the exact same thing for the other popsicle stick. Put it on top. And you're going to want to tape it around that, so it's like this. Next, we're going to take this bottle cap, and we're going to just tape it on. Super easy. This one, in the end, it's going to look something like that. It's super easy to make, and it's super handy to have. It's actually pretty powerful though, check this out. Alright, another thing that you can do besides the bottle cap is, well, I found this Lego tire thing, and just in case you don't have a bottle cap, there's so many things that you can use as like the projectile cradle sort of thing. And in this case, I'm using this Lego. Now you want to make sure that you're taping it up a lot so that it doesn't fall off when you shoot it. And yeah, thanks for watching.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and consider subscribing. And if you have any suggestions for future builds, feel free to comment below. And I'll see you next time on the Gadgetsmith.